In this tutorial, you will learn how to edit Canva template, purchased from online platforms such as Etsy. Firstly, sign up your account via canva.com website. You can either use email or Google account to sign up. Open the template link provided. You will be able to see a preview of the design. Click Use Template. On the top right, you can rename the template accordingly. To edit the font, double-click on the text to select and customize to match your brand. You can also multi-select to change the font of the whole document. To change the logo, click Upload Files button. Locate your logo from your computer. Then click Open. Drag and drop your logo. Resize if needed. Edit the details in the text boxes. You can also customize the color of the shapes to match your brand. To export your file, click the Share button. Then go to Download. On the Download section, under File Type, select between PNG, JPEG or PDF. Under Select Pages, untick all boxes. Then select the page you would like to export by ticking the checkbox. Click Done to proceed. After that, click Download. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more content.